Hollyland's Solidcom C1 full duplex wireless intercom headset system supports a wideband frequency response from 100 Hz to 7 kHz with premium AEC performance, ensuring authentic and clear audio quality for effective teamwork. Equipped with a directional microphone that captures the speaker's voice precisely while minimizing the environmental noise. Adopting double-molded craft with PC and ABS materials, the headset weighs only 168 grams including the battery, lightweight and durable, suitable for all kinds of harsh working scenarios. The headset's wireless transmission range can reach up to 350 meters line of sight radius. Hi everyone, this is Lawrence from Hollyland Tech. Today let's take a quick look at the brand new Solidcom C1 wireless headset full duplex intercom system. I've got the carry case right in front of me. Now let's check it out what's inside. Alright, that's all for today. If you have any questions about this new Solidcom C1 system, make sure to leave us a comment. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one.